Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan saya dengan Indah Purnamasari. Eh, dengan nomor induk saya dengan nomor induk mahasiswa saya 2892250650206. Saya dari Prodi Manajemen. Kali ini saya akan mempresentasikan mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris dengan dosen pengampu saya, Bapak Heri Wardana, SPD. Untuk kali ini saya akan membahas mengenai artikel bahasa Inggris basic dari bab pertama sampai dengan bab 12 dengan rangkuman yang saya terjemahkan. Apabila ada kekurangan dan kesalahan, mohon untuk dimaafkan dan untuk dimaklumi karena uh, ini adalah upaya saya untuk menyelesaikan tugas akhir semester saya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. With the end of this odd semester, I am obliged to complete the final semester examination. Was I hurriedly discuss material from the basic English course from chapter 1 to 12, in which I made the material into version in the form of an Indonesian summary and in the form the following English presentation below. Chapter 1 discuss about article. Article are words that are used in front of a number of nouns in English. Article are divided into two, namely one definite article. It can be used for countable or uncountable noun depending on the situation and need to, such as noun that have been mentioned in the previous word. Example, I have a book is very interesting. None are known clearly because they are explained with a few word. Example, the boy who called you yesterday is my brother. There is only one noun, so it can be understood immediately. Example, where is Anton? He is in the classroom. Used to show the holy book of the sea or religion. Example, in the Sempu Island, the Atlantic Ocean. Word that detonate a nation or people collectively. Example, the Japanese superlative and ordinal number word. Example, the longest. She always be the first to come. Use for family name in the plural. Example, the Cullen. Use for the name of only one thing. Example, the sun, the moon. Use for name of musical instrument. Example, the guitar, the piano. Example of sentence, she kicked the ball. She woman kicked the ball. When she was at the zoo, she saw a bear. When she woman was at the zoo, she saw a bear. Infinitive article a is used for singular noun that begin with a consonant. Example, a car, a book, a pen, uh, and more. An is used for singular noun that start with a novel. Example, an apple, an umbrella, an egg, and more. Indefinitive article are used in various forms, such as used in front of the name of the rank or position. Example, a sailor, a teacher. Used in front of the national name, for the example, an Indonesian. Used in front of the name of religion, example, a Christian. Used for singular countable noun, example, we have a book. Used before a singular noun that is used as an example of a ground of noun. Example, an announcer must be able to show theater of mind. Used in writing a certain amount. Example, a couple of rice. Used to state the price of particular unit. Example, ADR one rupiah a kilo. Used in exclamatory sentence. For the example, what a handsome guy. Example of sentence, he lived in a big house. He, meaning man, lived in big house. He watched a movie last night. He, man, watched a movie last night. For chapter 2, discuss about noun. Definity of noun is a word used to show the name of person, place of animal, day of plant, idea or name of an object or other thing. For example, beautiful, meaning person name, seller, Jakarta name of place, Monday is Monday, or example or more. Kind of objects are classified into several kinds, namely construct nouns, a noun that denotes the name of an object, which has certain adjectives that can be seen, touched, felt by own sense. Construct nouns are divided into four. Person noun, proper noun that show the name of people, country, city, day, month, school, company, and other names. For the example, edit, name person, Jakarta, name of city, English, name of country, University of Indonesia, name of university, common noun, a noun that denotes an object that is general in nature or other object that is not certain and that we often encounter in everyday life. For the example, book, teacher, and so on. Collective noun that denote a certain group or group of objects, which are a unit that has multiple meaning. It can be a human, an animal, or an object. For the example, team become team, class become class, used to as people, and so on. Material non-denoting raw material or non-derived from meaning material and other material. For the example, gold, silver, oil, wood, and so on. Abstract noun, in, intangible noun cannot be seen and felt by the five senses. In general, abstract noun consists of several that cannot be counted. For the example, miss, love, happiness, pleasure, and so on. According to the calculation are classified into two types, namely countable noun. Noun can be indicate the name of the item and the amount can be counted. For the example, magazine, car, a team, and so on. Uncountable noun is a noun that denotes the name of an object that cannot be counted. If is calculated, a measuring scale is needed, and so on. For the example, coffee, salt, milk, and so on. According to the number of nouns can be classified into two types, namely singular nouns. Nouns that show singular noun and show that thing is singular or not more than one. Example, door, house, soldier, and other plant. Plural noun that show noun are plural and more than one. For the example, house, car, and so on. Chapter 3, pronouns. Definition of pronoun is a word that is used to replace noun with the aim of replacing noun with the aim of avoiding continuous repetition of word. For the example, that Jocelyn is a student. She plays volleyball very well. Become a Jocelyn a student. She's a woman play volleyball well. She visit grandfather. They are the home. He man visiting his grandfather. They were at home. He who admire you so much has passed away. Become he who admire you has passed away. Kind of pronoun can be divided into 8 types as following. Personal personal pronoun that so people are divided into the first person, the speaker, the second person, the person spoken to, the third person, or something that is discussed with a third person. Uh, Possessive pronoun are pronoun that show belonging or possession in sentence. In the following form, adjective pronoun that stand as adjective followed by noun. For the example, this is my drawing book. Pronoun that are followed by noun, namely mine, yours, their, while the location of this pronoun is as follow. For the example, this drawing book is mine. This picture book is mine. If the noun is understood, for the example, your head and mine are red. Your head and mine are red. If the noun is present by the word, example, the flower of your soul be water. Reflexive pronoun is a pronoun that shows the reflection of the pronoun itself, which include the pronoun itself as following: myself, I'm alone, yourself, 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 himself, he, become he, itself, healing animal, himself, ourself, we, yourself, themselves, themselves. Demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that show the non-animal or person that its mean or talk about. The pronoun include are the following: singular form for singular noun, this, that, one, plural form, this, those, one. For the example, this is your desk, this is your table, this is my book, this is my book, the, there are your doll, it is your doll. Relative conjunctive pronoun is a pronoun used to connect two sentences into one sentence by removing the same word. In English, to combine two sentences into one sentence, it is necessary to use the word which if the subject of the first sentence and the subject of the second sentence consist of the same person, while the pronoun included in the group are who, whose, that, and which. For example, James is my best friend. I give him a present. I give him a present. James is my best friend. Become James whom I give a present is my best friend. Relative conjunctive pronoun is used are as follow. Who use a subtitle for a subject if the subject is a person. Example is my father is an English lecturer. He teach every day. He teach every day. Become my father who teach every day is an English lecturer. That use as a subject or object to replace noun, people, animal, object. For the example, there is television in the room. There was television in that room. I want to watch. I want to watch. Become there is television in the room that I want to watch. There is television in the room that I want to watch. Whom used to describe a person who function as an object in informal situation as usually omitted. For the example, I see a woman, mother is talking to her. Become I see a woman whom mother is talking to. I saw a woman whose mother was talking to her. Whose it is used to express the possession or ownership of a person or animal. For the example, you have a cat, its fur is black. Become you have a cat whose fur is black, which used to replace animal or plant, object, and other than people. For the example, that is mother's crab which was lost at the airport. It was my mother's crab that was lost at the airport. Were used to additional word for the example. There is a place where father fell down yesterday. There is the place where father fell yesterday. Of which used to show ownership or ownership of object. For the example, you have a cell phone which the camera does not work well. You have a cell phone whose camera is not working properly. Indefinitive pronoun is a pronoun that does not have a accent, a word that process or a word that is used as reference for pronoun divided by two, namely indefinitive person or thing is every, become everybody, everyone, everything. Any can be anybody, anyone, anything. No become nobody, no one, nothing. Some become some, someone, something. For the example, we saw something entering Mr. Hendro house last night. Infinitive quantity which include these pronouns are non, almost, either, neither, each, another, neither, the other, and the other. One, some, both, less, many, plenty, of, much, more, a lot of. For the example, the swimming pool is deep, but that one is shallow. The pool is deep, but the one is shallow. Interrogative pronoun is a pronoun used to ask questions. In other language, I can be interpreted as a pronoun used to represent a question, which include pronoun who, whom, what, who, which, where, when, why, and how. For the example, which are your shoes? Recipro repris rep recipro reciprocal pronoun are pronouns that express a reciprocal relation, mutual relationship between individual, either two or more than two, which include pronoun are each other, one another. For the example, two teenage girls are talking about one another. Chapter 4, Adjective. Definition of adjective is a word used to give property to nouns or pronouns, and also adjective used to explain or limit the meaning of the noun or pronoun. For the example, happy, beautiful, clever, far, one, third, many, and so on. Type of adjective is divided into two types. Describe adjective, which include size, shape, measure, weight, smell, taste, color, and so on, and can take various from include adjectives so as American flag, participle, adjective, participatory. For the example, an interesting novel, compound adjective. Adjective that are combined by connecting line. For the example, a good-looking girl. Limiting adjective is an adjective that is used to narrow or limit nouns or pronouns without giving information about circumstance, type, and so on. For the example, your book, that car, and so on. Group into 9 sections, namely proper adjective. For the example, an Indonesian country, adjective of quality. For the example, Damian is handsome. Adjective of quantity. For the example, I only want a little piece around here. Numeral adjective. For the example, Lala broke a dozen of balls last night. Infinitive numeral adjective. For the example, there are some cake on the table. Demonstrative adjective is defined into adjective. For the example, the house has beautiful view. Indefinitive demonstrative like an, one, sure, some, another, other, and any other. For the example, one day she will be a good teacher. Interrogative adjective function is a question word. It must be followed by the noun being asked, including in the question one or what, which, whose. For the example, which news do you mean? Possessive adjective is an adjective that it used to express possession or ownership of an object, whatever animate or inanimate, which include possessive adjective, namely my is mine, yours is your, our is our, theirs, his, male, her female, it his animal or inanimate object. For the example, my own is a nose. Distributed adjective is an adjective that it used to indicate that the noun in question are the various kind of individual or adjective, which indicated that nouns are used one by one or separated part, which include every, each, either, and neither. For the example, this woman in this room carry a bag. Chapter 5. Meaning of verb is the word used to indicate the action or state of being of the subject, so the action of the subject. For the example, to buy, to write, to read, to walk, to run, and so on. While the verb that show the state offering the subtitle, for the example, to be like, to have, to become, to seem. Various verb based on the form of the verb is divided into two kinds, namely, infinitive verb have the most important role, either with auxiliary verb or not, and act as full verb or full verb in ranking. This verb is limited by the class characteristic related to English grammar or grammar. Such a verb can have the word, person, number, tense, and so on. It consists of two parts, namely present form. For the example, she is here now. Past form, example, Ria took her book. Non-finitive verb is a verb that one complete which has function or another grammar of the verb. The form of this verb is not limited to person or number, but has an active voice or passive voice and several tense, and consists of two parts, namely infinitive. For the example, to say is easy, but to do is difficult. Participle. Example, there is swimming pool in the hotel. Ground are verb that are added English letter. Example, painting is my hobby. Verb are divided into two types. Transitive verb are verb that require an object or sandra. Indirect object, a ring is direct object. Intransitive verb are verb that require a patient complementary object to complete the meaning of the sentence and can be understand the meaning. Example, my cat sleep at night. Intransitive verb of complete prediction complement. Intransitive verb or complete prediction, for example, run, swim, sleep, lie, walk, tuck, rain, for the example, river flow. Interactive verb of incomplete prediction. This is verb is called copulative verb or complementary verb, which function to connect to the verb and is complete noun. For the example, cow are four-legged animal. Adjective, for the example, the old man has fallen sick. The preposition with its object, for the example, the dictionary term ought to be of not use. Participle word, for the example, we are continued running, basic verb, infinitive. Cognate object are those that have the same origin, nature, or meaning and are divided into five, namely, cognate the object of the verb. For the example, my family live a happy life. Cognate which has the same meaning for the verb. For the example, we walk a long way. Cognate object, adjective example, I try to hardest. Verb are divided into two types, regular verb that can be changed in regular verb, irregular For the example, I came to the party with a finance. Auxiliary verb, what the are included in the namely auxiliary verb. To be can be used for make tense. For the example, I'm going to watch opera tonight. Auxiliary, what can be included in the name auxiliary verb? To be can be used for make tense. For the example of sentence, I'm going to watch opera tonight. Make passive sentence, my father is going to be repaired. Make non-verbal sentence, the use of to be to be in non-verbal use consists of sentence, party, prepositional sentence. Example, I'm Diana. Ordinary verb, if do function as a verb, it usually means to do. Example, she did her science assessment last night. Auxiliary verb, interrogative and negative sentence. For the example, did Sally go to work yesterday? The function of the auxiliary verb, verb the word have is used as regular verb. The word have her means to have. For the example, I have a new house. Verb intension using the primary auxiliary verb. The word can function as an actual verb in forming tense, such as present perfect tense, past perfect tense. For the example, I have buy a new sofa. Model auxiliary verb are verb that used to add additional meaning to the main verb. Include in the auxiliary verb are can, cannot, may not, shall not, will not, must not, use to use. For the example, I can an English book. Example of sentence, they want to be able to speak Mandarin. Chapter 4, definition of verb, adverb or adverb are a word and group used to describe verb, adjective, other adverb or expression of noun or noun, phrase, and whole sentence. For the example of sentence, my mother walked to her. Adverb of manner or quality is performed or an effect acquired. Adverb of definite time, adverb of place, about, approach, anywhere, wherever, in front of, around, in there, approximately, where, within, inside, in, wherever, anywhere, every day, anywhere, somewhat, somewhere. For the example, your parent live in Manado. Where do you live? Where do your parent live? Adverb or direction is one type of adverb. Adverb which is used to explain which direction a place is, where a book, action, did, or quality is performed or an event occur. According to English grammar aspect, this adverb can be classified as adverb or place. Pay attention to the word included in it, among other. About, back to, backward back, for, back and forth. Below, down there, down there. Forward, ahead, in here, there. For example, Marcella goes to Teluk Kiluan Beach and then to Krui Beach. The cousin went below. Adverb of frequency. For example, he often drives his father's car to school. She sometimes has spread rice for breakfast. Adverb of quantity. For the example, I have a lot of books in my room. Uncountable noun are used for things that cannot be counted and have several types, namely as follow: a lot, little, much more, too much, too little. For the example, I drink a lot of water because I am thirsty. Adverbs of degree used to explain between level or is used to express how far the level or degree of situation or even is. Place before noun. For the example, I have enough ticket for both of us. My bedroom is too small. This room is too big for both of us. Example, she finished it task very quickly. You look so pale. You should take some rest. You look very well. You should rest. Relation adverb are additional adverb that are used for word including is connecting adverb have something in common with interrogative adverb. The difference lies only in their position in their sentence. Conjunctional adverbs are generally located in the middle of the sentence, while the adverb of questioner is located at the beginning of sentence. It connects two sentences into one sentence or two clauses into one clause. Words that include relative adverb, namely when, while, when, where, why. She was reading a book when I came. Interrogative adverb. Interrogative is a national adverb used to ask question or make question. Words that are included as interrogative adverb are when, how often, where, why, how do you, how many. For the example, how did you that? Why didn't you do your homework? Why didn't you do your homework? For the chapter 9, Alkan precision of time is a weight word that direct to time. For the example, a precision of time is after. Precision of place is used to explain place information. Precision of direction is word that show the relationship between a noun and other word in a long sentence. Preparation for angel is used to explain the relationship between a noun or subject. Preposition which come from two words. For the example, his house is next to my house. Preposition which come from three words. For the example, the bride is now in the course of contraction, is now under contraction. Proposition derived for what? Sample sentence, the man come with all you to kill somebody. The combination of this preposition can form various kinds of preposition, namely simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, participle preposition, prepositional parts. Chapter 7, Conjunction. Definition of conjunction is a word used to connect phrase with phrase or sentence with sentence and so on. Coordinate conjunction, cumulative conjunction. For the example, not only is she beautiful, but also clever. Alternative conjunction. For the example, you can choose Danny or Kyoto clean the classroom. Adjective conjunction. For the example, I want to go to cinema with you. However, I don't have money. Delicative conjunction. For the example, the taxi come, so I will go. Subordinary conjunction is a conjunction that is used to connect two sentences of the same level. Based on its understanding, two subordinated conjunction is a sentence can function as follows. Cause of reason, comparison example, concession, congestion, purpose, manner, time, result, opposition. Correlative conjunction are connecting words that are used in pair to show the relationship between two words or sentence. Noun must be paired with noun. Verb are usually paired with verb. Adjective must be paired with adjective, and so on. For the example sentence, we can go either green rest or Spain for our holiday. Chapter 8, Interjection. Interjection is a word that is used to express a strong feeling or to talk that suddenly feel or appear. Sadness, approval, boredom, ecstasy, concern, reproach, laughter, ridicule, impatience, surprise, pain, call, or doubt, and so on. This interjection usually end with interjection. Interjection time, original interjection from other word, interjection from phrase. Chapter 9, Infinitive participle, and gerund. Infinitive is a basic verb that has not changed its form due to large is in time or addition of the ending. Indefinitive type are divided into two types, bare infinitive. Example of sentence, she can speak Spanish and Korean. I will go to Yogyakarta after a certain number of groups such as she observe. For the example, I listen to the music jazz, feel like falling in love, presaged by the word has better, had rather, and would rather. For the example sentence, would rather like or hot weather than a rain. Example sentence, they need a blanket and food after the storm. To infinitive is a basic verb that begin with the word to, usually function as a noun or an ordinary verb followed by an object. For the example, to speak the truth need a brief. Objective complement, I ask you to help me to do my homework. Objective to profession, she want to go to visit her cousin in Dubai. Adjective to infinitive as adjective English as follow. Example, quick to move, but slow to run, fast moving but slow in running. Foolish fellow to suppose that he could be pardoned. Fool who think that he can be forgiven, and so on. Type of function is present continuous to infinitive, indicated uneven or did, has inquired as still ongoing, perfect continuous up to infinitive, perfect to infinitive, passive to infinitive. The example is here. Present participant is a verb that get an additional English letter that function as a verb. Okay, subject complement used together with to be such as is, are, was, were, which function to express an command of desire or necessity. Objective complement, I ask you to help me to do my homework. Okay, chapter 10, uh, sentence is which a group award that has at least one subject and one predicate is, and contain a perfect or complete meaning, or a group of words that express as complete truth at meaning that can be understood clearly. For the example, I go to school every day. Element of sentence element, uh, name, subject example, object is noun or pronoun, complete is a word used to complete, and joke, adverb of time, kind of the sentence are grouped into several types, namely verbal, base its use, base its structure. Chapter 11, simple present tense and present continuous tense. Simple present tense form that describe event or action that are happening at the present time is a simple. A job that is done repeatedly or daily habit or even that have nothing to do with time. Function at the simple present, present continuous tense. Chapter 12, simple past tense and simple future tense. Simple past tense is a form of sentence that describe an event that happened or two that we're doing in the past, a simple from where you know when the event or work that done happened. The simple present tense function is used to express an event that has carried out in the past, and it is known when the event occurred. For the example, it met beautiful woman last night. I saw beautiful woman last night. For the simple future tense, the function is to talk about future plan that have been thought of. For the example, we shall meet the client by noon. Okay, finally I done my presentasi. I apologize if the summary of the basic English material is still Have money has stopped coming because I still have to continue studying to be better in the future. The end of the story. Akhir kata, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Indah Purnamasari. So, see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.